Today we're going to make some decorations for Father's Day. We're going to make letter blocks, and everything that we're going to use is recycled materials, particularly magazines. So we're looking for text, pages with a lot of text in it, not pictures. But actually, you can use the picture pages if you want. If you want your decoration to be very, very colorful, you can use the images, the photos. But for our purposes, we want the pages with mostly a white background and a lot of text. We don't want text and photos together because somehow the images detract from how the letters look. So anyway, that's just what we're going to do today. You can change it for your own purposes, but for our buntings, we're going to use this kind of page. Even if it has a little bit of colors, mostly it's text. So we want to use pages with mostly letters on them. Okay, so what you're going to do is you get the magazine page and you fold it just like so into 4, and you're going to make a cut in the center so that it's going to have like a rectangular shape that's folded. Now you can see here that it's a good size, but you can use any size really for this project. But we didn't waste any of the material, and we saved on cutting by just using the shape of the magazine. So I'm gonna make a letter D here. So I folded it so that I don't have to do any pencil marks. But we'll provide a template for you if you don't want to do the style that I did. Okay. So this is a very simple project and you can do it in just a few minutes, and you can use this technique for different letters. This is kind of an army stencil kind of font. So you'll see that there are 2 letter D's, one in the front and one in the back. So that's one letter. So we're going to make the letter A and then another D. It's really a very simple decoration. But it's going to have a lot of impact when it's all together. So it's very fun to see when it's done already. So for the letter A, I can't really just cut it. So I made some rough sketches of the letter A using a pen. So you can't really make it connected because the paper is going to fall down. So you need to use this kind of stencil thing if you don't want to make some gluing and it's kind of more complicated. So cutting out the letters is probably the most difficult part of this decoration, but it's pretty easy to do. Now we're going to make a heart as an accent to the letter blocks, just to show Dad that we really love him. And the heart, of course, is very easy to make because all you need to do is to fold it at the center and make a half heart cut. So we have it right away, and all you need to do is to attach the folded top portion together and just get a bit of string. So now that you have the letters, all we need to do is to attach them all together. But before that, we want to ensure that the letters will kind of pop out and not lay flat. So what you need to do is fold the top portion and paste it with some paper glue. Attach. So now you can easily hang your letters. We suggest that if you have a very colorful wall, to use pages with just text. But it's really up to you. We just found that the text pages work way better with our purposes. This is how it's going to look with string and hanging. Now we're going to make the garland. All you need to do is cut a strip of the magazine paper and fold it equally. And now we're going to get our scissors and we're going to cut 4 equal lines in the center, just like this, to make a part of the garland. So we're going to make several parts like this in an equal size. So unfold it, and you can see the strips are joint at the top and at the bottom. We didn't cut there. And now you're going to put the folded area, the top of it, in between. So the paper is going to curl, and you just have to unfurl it a bit. And now you're going to make several of this and attach it together using paper glue. So all together, it's going to look like this. Make sure that you use the most colorful pages of the magazine to have the best looking garland. It doesn't really look too special right now, but if you make a lot of these, it will have a big impact. Add the buntings and the garlands all together and it will look very festive. To have a different occasion, like for a birthday, just make out the letters of your birthday celebrant's name. They'll be very surprised. And it's all free, just made from recycled materials.